Alright, I'm gonna do a video on how to install the modify pin from Homedefense24.com. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what this is supposed to do. If it's a smaller pin to make it more consistent, but this video I'm just going to do the modification and I'll try it out. Especially I was told it's better to work them on the HDR 68 and HDR 50, but when we do the test and stuff we'll figure it all out then. But in this video I'm just going to show you guys how to take this the little piercer apart, CO2 piercer, and we're going to swap these pins out. I'm just using a little drill bit and a hammer, I guess, just to tap the little pin. Right here, there's a little pin, you just got to tap that out. Not sure how good, but there's one small end and one end with a little knurling on it. So we want to push from the small end to get it out. So start down here at the small end. Oh, look at that, push right up, no hammer. And just take this pin out. See, it's got the little knurling on it. Not sure how well you guys can see this, but it's good. Spring loaded. I know there's a video already out here about this from Sean Kemper. He's already done it, and I think he's tried it on his HDP, and he's got a video about it too. So I'm just repeating it again for the guys that aren't with him on his channel that are on mine. So for those of you who don't know, and whatever, this is for you. Alrighty, so just set this down, set the spring down there, and then looks like that's just going to push through. Alright, the pin come out. Now I'll take the modify pin. It's for the HDR 68, HDB 68, HDP 50, and HDR 50. Let's see the difference here. Oh, it is a smaller pin. So it's definitely a smaller pin. I don't know if you can see that good. But yeah, it's definitely a smaller pin. So I guess it's to make it more consistent, save CO2 and get more shots perhaps. But we'll find out in the test. Either way. So yeah, that was pretty basic. So we'll just take that old one over there, and then through the bottom, we'll just stick that back in, press it down there, and this little ring here, that little ring is where the pin will go through once you put it back together. So I'll just put that here and drop our spring back in. Yeah, So we'll line this, spin this around so the hole lines up with the pinholes. Alright, now we'll take our pin. And it's locked in. I'm just pressing it back in. Maybe do it with a hammer. There. And it's working. Now, we're going to have to test it out on the HDRs. I'm not sure. I don't think it made much of a difference on the HDP so far. But we still got the HDB and the two revolvers, 50 cals. HDR 50 and HDR 68. I was told that they work better on the revolvers. So we'll have to give that a go. But other than that, it's back in. The pin's definitely not coming out. Not sure how well you can see, but she seems to be working. Alrighty. And yep, that's that, guys. Well, check out one of my next coming videos, and I'll do both of the revolvers probably in one shot, maybe the HDB as well. Alright, until then, guys, take care.